Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So if you watched my Texas Renaissance video, I encountered some of these. I don't know how you pronounce this. Dinix, Flintlock pistols, and I think they were selling for $99. The tri-barrel Flintlock non-firing pistols. So I went online on eBay. I got this on eBay for 56 bucks. Includes shipping. Okay, so this is the, what do you call this? Flintlock pistol, Italy 1680. So I think it's somebody else's collection and just want to dispose of it. The box is not in good condition. That's why he sold it for 56 bucks. Even the manual slash catalog that came with it is not in good condition, but it shows the product line of the company. So aside from guns, they sell swords, knives. Okay, let me get to the, these are the Flintlock pistols. Oh, this is the Eagle's Head grip. 13, I saw that. 1305. Okay. Okay. Huh. I like this. 1309. And I think this is what I got. The, oh no, 1310. No, that's not it. Anyway, lots of other stuff from the Knicks. And this is the gun. So like I said, Renaissance Fair, they were selling this for 99 bucks plus tax. I got this $56 free shipping plus tax. Okay, so I was amazed how, what's the name, the gunsmith who invented this, an Italian gunsmith, Michel Lorenzoni. He thought of a tri-barrel because at that time it's hard to load a flintlock pistol, so you need to shove your lead ball and other stuff just to make the gun work. Okay, so he invented a tri-barrel pistol, flintlock pistol. So the way you do this, you cock it. I think you need to put something there, a charge. Pull the trigger. You rotate it. Do the same thing. By the way, this is made of plastic, an imitation of ivory. So the original is made of ivory and steel. And this is Zamac. Zamac is pot metal. So this is a non-firing replica. This is not even a ported barrel. I think it's only halfway. So if you have a flintlock tri-barrel pistol, you shoot, you rotate, shoot again, rotate, shoot again, and until you finish the three barrels. So during the time that a revolver was not yet invented, the gunsmith that invented this thought of using three barrels. I think there's another version, a two-barrel design. So this is a three-barrel design. So I was intrigued. And just imagine if this is real ivory with the engravings. Very intricate design. Even the trigger. It's not a simple trigger. Even has a design and the trigger guard itself. I saw eagle head grip. I did not it did not appeal to me, so I like it more of simple butt end like this. This is the other side. I was surprised that this gun is made in Spain. So when everything that you buy is made in China, I got one that was made in Spain. Made in Spain. Huh? I think it's worth collecting. A few months ago, we went to Collector's Firearms here in Houston, and I think I saw a few of these, and the price is really beyond my reach. Thousands of dollars. Thousands of the more intricate, the more rare, the more expensive. And hopefully in the future, gun manufacturers like Heritage will make a line of single shot 22 LR pistols, which are a replica of older pistols like this. That's my dream. You know, I don't care if it's a single shot, as long as it is a firing gun. See. And the cocking, I think this is a four cocking mechanism. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So the further you cock it, the stronger the action of the hammer. I've seen that type of cocking in air guns. There are air guns in the Philippines that determines the strength of the hammer by how many times you cock it. Is it doable when the hammer's on the side and the barrels are? Maybe they can put the hammer here. I don't care, as long as it fires. Single shot, rotating tri-barrel. Why not? Cock it, boom, break action. Yeah, use your imagination. Tri-barrel. The guy that invented this was ahead of its time, ahead of his time. Maybe next time I'm gonna get the wood version. I also like the wood, and a single barrel. So this is a tri-barrel. What's the purpose? Like I said, I cannot afford the original tri-barrel, or maybe the single barrel Flintlocks. They're very expensive. They're museum quality guns, and you don't want to shoot those guns anyways. You might break them. So this is the next best thing. And these are a good addition to my collection, although they are non-firing replica. Still good addition, good conversation piece, good display piece, especially if you research the history and looking online. They're saying that flintlocks are more reliable than wheel guns, and I've seen wheel guns, German wheel guns. They are beautiful. The design is more complicated, more intricate than this, but they are nice to look at, nice to collect if you have the dough. So this is just for collection, for display, cosplay. I don't know if I can find a holster for a tri-barrel replica with my Renaissance outfit next year. I'm gonna be a pirate next year. I don't know. Definitely, um, a good looking pistol. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this video. Please click like and subscribe. Consider supporting me on Patreon. Use my Amazon link. It will not cost you anything, but it will help the channel. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.